Yes, ready for dictation. Start. The bill seeks to implement the decision relating to the preservation of the quality of air and control of air pollution. Stop. The present thinking in environmental pollution control matters is to have an integrated approach. Stop. To give effect to this approach, it has been provided in this bill that the water pollution control boards established under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1985 will, in addition to their normal work, perform the functions of air pollution control also. Stop. This will not only facilitate coordination but also will result in economy. Stop. The bill will be enacted by virtue of Article 253 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Sir, a few more words about the salient features of the bill. Full stop. This bill will apply to the whole of India. Stop. The Central Board for the Prevention and Control of Water Pollution, established under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1985, will act as the Central Board for the Prevention and Control of Air Pollution also. Stop. The state boards for the prevention and control of water pollution established by state governments which have adopted the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1985 will perform the functions of the state air pollution control boards also. Stop. In the states which have not yet adopted the 1985 Act, the new air pollution control boards will be set up. Stop. However, we are requesting these states also to adopt the 1985 Act and constitute the state boards so that there will be uniformity all over the country. Stop. Para. The state governments will first declare the air pollution control areas. Stop. In such areas, industries specified in the schedule to the bill will have to obtain consents from the respective state boards from discharging emissions from their factories. Stop. The state boards will lay down the specifications for emission discharge and the particulars of the control equipment that should be put up to abate air pollution. Stop. Failure to comply with the consent conditions will render the industrial units liable to prosecution. Stop. However, reasonable time will be given for existing industrial units to install the control equipments. Stop. The state governments will also issue necessary instructions to ensure that the automobile exhausts do not exceed the specifications laid down by the respective state boards. Stop. This bill will, however, not apply to ships and aircrafts. Stop. This provision is made as there exists a separate law for the control of pollution in those cases. Stop. With these words, sir, I beg to move that the bill will be taken into consideration by the Honorable House. Stop.